Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is not too much about Corel Draw. It is for just sharing some ideas. There's a young man out of Hawaii that makes weird gears, and they're totally weird. I bought his program or his file about 10 years ago, and I have made gears like that. Who would think that two oval gears would spin on each other? This one is one that really impresses people. The oval goes in the center, and so I'm cutting these out and putting them into space. But after he sends you the file, you can do anything with them. You can make them a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. But I'm going to tell you a little bit of insight. So you've got your weird gears, and it's hard to believe that a 5-sided gear would turn a 4-sided gear that would turn a 3-sided gear. But they actually do work. So if you had this gear, you would just cut holes out. You know, after you looked at it, and I think it's been so long, I think he even sends you the dimensions to put the pattern. But if you made your gears a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, you could put holes, and I'll just show you how to do that real quick. Just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that hole, and then take your gear and move your gear away, and then take this and left click, right click, and then that would be your hole for each gear. Now, and then you would glue in a dowel I would suggest using 1/4-inch MDF and have it protrude past the gear. And then I do a deal called a lock ring that I kind of came up with. And if your dowel is a little bit longer than your gear, and maybe even put a spacer underneath the gear so it doesn't drag on the wood. And I've done these out of acrylic. And then you just take this lock washer and put it on top, and it's going to keep it. So on the lock washer, you make the inside hole a little bit smaller than your dowel, and you can force it on there, and this cut will split open, holding it tight. So give him a look at, and I'm going to put his website and a link on the bottom of this video. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.